Hi subscribers, now we are going to show you the family room of Courtyard Marriott Aravali. Come. So, as we start, like the deluxe room, even this particular room has on the right hand side, it has a washroom, includes the WC and the shower area. The shower area has a generous amount of conditioner, shower gel and shampoo like all other room categories. On the right hand side again, there's a mirror and there's some toiletries which are available. Again over here we have the slider door for two or more people staying in the room. On this particular side we've got the cupboard which you can put your luggage and clothes in. We have a nice bed, again similar to the deluxe room. Nice lighting on the background, a place for two people to sit, and a balcony, again as it was in case of the deluxe room. And this has a beautiful view of some nice flowery valley. Now, the catch. People, if you have kids along, believe me, this is something you would want to go for. There's a small kids room here which has a very beautiful bunk bed for two and a nice sitting area wherein kids can sit, play the table games, board games, have fun, and there's a television. So the parents can completely be at ease. Kids are not going to bother you anyways. There's also a small cupboard here to keep kids' stuff. So the parents can be at ease while kids will organize their almirah, have their clothes, watch their TV and have a lot of fun in this bed and the furniture here. This looks like a dreamy room. And on the top they've got a nice sky thing which would actually drive the kids crazy. It's like really beautiful. Also the beds have their individual lighting in case there's any kid who wants to read, study during the time, maybe late at night, it won't be a disturbance to the others. So in all, I think people with kids, this is the place for you. Thank you.